how to fix lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on Android phone. First thing you're gonna do is just restart your phone and click restart, and that's it. And if it doesn't fix your lag, just go to settings and scroll down, and then just go to system and updates, and then software updates. Now just check if there's any update for your phone, and then just update your phone, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.